What's up, guys? Joe the Burping King here, back another video. There's no excuses this time. I was just playing video games. There is really no excuses. I'm just late. That's kind of how it happens. We're just gonna go on and continue. Yeah. So if this does happen, 1 second. And yeah, let's continue. I have my not almond milk, not Sprite. It's just ordinary milk. We're going grocery shopping probably next week somewhere. So, well, I didn't take that time to. I do have the money to get out and get a can, but right now I'm not going to go out, and I'm just situated in where I am right now. I'm fine where I am. So let's get my milk in my glass, and let's start burping, and hopefully have an exciting burping video for about 5-6 minutes ish. Not even 10, 5, 6, 7 minutes. It's wherever. It's not Pacific. Not nowhere around there. Just. It's wherever. It doesn't matter. Let's continue. No, too much talking. So, basically, one second. If you know my videos, the audio is not always the best, and some people think the burping isn't as good as it was before. Problem is, it's the distance between my phone and me, so if my burps, they're loud, but the phone audio isn't that great, so it doesn't catch a lot of sound, so you may think it's quiet, but it is actually, if we were in an area that echoes really well, I'd definitely be able to burp louder. I could burp loud anyway, but you could hear it more, the absorption. To get to the phone, because I'm in an apartment. The walls aren't that great with sound. Doesn't like directly come back that well, so you'll hear it, but it's not like you'll know it's loud. Most people know out of like it's just habit from listening to me burp. So let's go. I think yesterday was definitely not my best day. Yeah, just the burping and sound quality. I'm trying to make them. They're loud, but just sooner or later, I would definitely get myself a mic, so we can definitely burp like right in the mic, so you can really hear it. And I get my PC. That's when I get a job. I'm right now 17, but my mom is on IRS, so they kind of pay stuff for child support stuff. But let's not worry about none of that. That's kind of personal, but yeah. Okay, more came out. Expected. If you want me to burp on the couch more, if it looks like wait. Some people ask for farts. I did anyway because whatever. It's just a video. Burping farts, whatever. It's really when I drink dairy milk that I do those things more. But if you comment down below if you want me to do it on the sofa more, if you want me to burp more on the sofa or the cable, wherever, just make sure. Let me know. I want to know. Comment down below. Let's do a few more. kind of late, so. I'll try to fart. I don't know how it's gonna work. I may fart or burp. Who knows? I may not fart. I was thinking I could, but then I can't. Yeah. I think that'll be it for this one. I'll definitely. It's not really. I may be. So it's a maybe if I'm on time because I've been off time for the last day and a half, 2 days now. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best. Try to think about. I was just playing Minecraft, and you just get a little off, but there's no excuses. I mean, I've done this already twice this week. Yeah, I think this will be it, and yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.